Hey there! In this video, we'll show you how to use the ConnectUC Desktop App and walk you through its most important features so you can manage your calls and daily communication with ease. If you don't have the app yet, we recommend watching our download and access video first. We'll guide you step by step so you can get set up quickly. So, let's get started. ConnectUC is designed to make communication with your clients simple, allowing you to make and receive calls from anywhere at any time. Once you're inside the app, the first thing you'll see is your call history, including recent incoming, outgoing, and missed calls. You can search for specific calls, clear the history, download it, or apply filters based on your preferences. If you want more details, simply click on any call. You'll be able to see who called, the call type, the date and time, and whether it was answered by another extension. At the top of the screen, you'll find the button to start a new call. Click it, and the dialer will appear. From there, you can enter a number manually or select one from your contacts. Then press Start Call to begin. Checking your voicemails is just as simple. Click on the Voicemail tab, and you'll see a list of all received messages. Select any voicemail to listen to it. From there, you can play it, download it, forward it to a coworker, or delete it. If you'd like to return the call, just press Callback and you'll be connected right away. Now let's go to the Parking tab. Here, you can answer calls that have been placed on park, either by you or by one of your coworkers. When a call is parked, it will appear on the screen with the option to pick it up. Simply press Pick Up to answer the call. Up next, the Chat tab. Here you'll see all the messages from your teammates in one place. To start a new conversation, click the new chat icon, search for a contact, type your message, and hit Send. You can also keep your connections organized in the Contacts tab. Here, all your company contacts are stored in one place, so finding anyone is quick and easy. Just use the search bar to look up a specific contact or apply filters to view personal or company entries. Want to add someone new? Click the plus icon and a small window will pop up. Enter the contact's name, add the company if needed, and include a phone number by choosing the phone type and entering the number. You can also add an email or address if you'd like. Once you're done, press Save, and your new contact is ready to go. For scheduling and joining virtual sessions, you can use the Meetings tab. Here, you're able to create meetings with coworkers or clients in just a few steps. To create a meeting, click New Meeting. Assign a name, invite coworkers if needed, and then press Save. Once created, you'll see options to share the meeting, either by copying the invitation or the meeting URL so others can join easily. If you'd like to start immediately, simply press Join Meeting and you'll be ready to begin. You can also send and receive faxes directly from ConnectUC. Open the Fax tab and your inbox will appear with all received faxes. At the top, you'll also see your assigned fax number. To review a fax, simply select the one you're looking for. The document will open, giving you options to download, print, delete, or share it with your contacts. To view the faxes you've sent, switch to the Sent tab, where all outgoing faxes are stored and easy to access. Need to send a fax? Click the plus icon, choose your preferred cover page, select the file you'd like to send, and enter the destination number, or pick one from your contacts if needed. Then press Send, and your fax will be on its way. Finally, let's return to the Main tab, where you can access key shortcuts instantly. The New button allows you to quickly start a call, open a chat, send a fax, or add a contact, all in just one click. To review your profile, click the circle with your initials. From there, you can update your status so coworkers can see your availability or access advanced settings at any time. If you need uninterrupted focus, enable Do Not Disturb. This will silence calls across all your devices, including your desk phone, desktop app, and mobile app. And if your goal is simply to stop calls on the ConnectUC app while keeping them active on your other devices, disable calls is the best option. If you only want to mute notifications on the ConnectUC app, select Disable Notifications instead. You'll continue receiving calls on your other devices without interruption. ConnectUC also gives you the flexibility to choose which device you want to answer calls from when you have multiple devices by enabling Companion Mode. From this same menu, you can also open Preferences, access the PBX portal, or report an issue whenever you need assistance. Everything is designed to keep you in control and moving efficiently. When you're ready to exit the app, simply press Sign Out. We hope this quick walkthrough of ConnectUC's main features has been helpful and made it easier for you to get started. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.